Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a product that I recently purchased. It is Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. I was looking for something to kind of just give me expert results at home without having to go into the salon. So these are Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peels, a patented two-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, and improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. You can achieve clinical results at home, which is exactly what I wanted. And this 0.07 floral ounce, 2.2 milliliter each step comes with 3 treatments. Comes in a box like this. It says smooth, radiant skin in 2 minutes. Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Read the side. It said how to use it, follow packet instructions, caution, use only as directed, limit frequency of use to 1 time daily, avoid contact with eyes, if irritation persists, discontinue use and consult a physician. Sunburn alert. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. We recommend daily use of sunscreen whether or not use this product to protect your skin from the risks associated with sun exposure. U.S. Patents number 7, 189-406B1, number 7, 465-460B1, number 8, 017-038B2. Additional U.S. patent pending. This product is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and phthalate-free. There's a little barcode on the side there. So ingredients in step 1: water, aqua, alcohol denate, glycolic acid, potassium hydroxide, amylase. I'm just going to say the ones that I can pronounce because a lot of them are a little bit tough. Bark extract, salix alba, citric acid, malic acid, mandelic acid, lactic acid, fragrance, perfume, linalool, exfoliant, sodium benzoate. Ingredients in step 2, kind of another bunch of things I can't really pronounce. Retinol, ascorbic acid, soy isoflavones, sodium PCA, zinc PCA, dimethicone, lectin, sodium benzoate, phenol. Sorry, struggled through some of those there. Attention, what does it say? Probably the same thing that it says on the other side, but in another language. Okay, just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, let's open the box up. And I guess that's just the instructions. Alright, so it comes with 3 of these. Okay, to use. Okay, so you do treatment 1 first. To use for optimum results, use daily AM or PM. First time peel users may apply every other day until skin becomes eliminated. Massage step 1 onto clean dry skin until pad is dry. Wait 2 minutes, then repeat with step 2. To further enhance results, follow with a serum and moisturizer of your choice from Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. Alright, so let's open this up and see. Okay, so it kind of has like a alcohol perfume smell to it. This is step 1. So this, you're just supposed to massage into your skin, exfoliate and smooth, which I'm doing now. It feels really nice. I'm just doing like circular motion. Skin is already feeling softer, I could tell. And I'm using it on my neck as well. Okay, so I feel some like tingling sensation. It feels really good. Something I noticed too, which I'm kind of amazed by, I do see that there's like, I don't know if it's makeup or what it is exactly on this pad, but it looks like there's like brown on it, and that's like amazing to me because I washed my face really good last night from all my makeup, and I have no makeup on right now. I just got out of the shower and it looks like it like took some, I don't know if it's dirt or makeup that didn't come off when I washed my face last night or in the shower, but that's pretty crazy to me. So I definitely feel like I got like a really, really deep clean from it. So now I'm going to use step number 2. All right, now we have step number 2. This is I just opened it up, have it in my hand, and I'm just doing the same thing. I'm going around in circular motions on my skin. Skin still feels a little bit tingly, which it kind of has like this, I don't know how to explain it. It has like a clean like lint, like a clean, no, mint feeling. Like, you know when you brush your teeth and you get that like tingly sensation? It feels like that, but on my skin, if that makes any sense to you guys. skin feels really, really smooth, and I'm like going in the creases of like my nose area because I know that's like a hard to reach spot, and I'm just like getting all like the dirt and stuff out, and I'm just like really being careful around like my eye area because obviously you don't want to get this product in your eyes. And the same thing seems to be happening. Like you guys could see, it looks like there's like dirt or makeup or something that is coming out of my skin. That's insane to me because, like I said, I washed my face so good, or so I thought I washed it so good, and I just showered, so it's like crazy to me that that's coming off. But yeah, I'm going in circular motions, kind of like exfoliating, and my skin is feeling so good right now. So I guess after this, I'm going to put like a serum or moisturizer on, and I'm like in awe of how my skin feels. It feels so tingly. It feels good. Alright guys, so my skin, it looks like it really took a lot of, oh my goodness, look at this. I don't know if that's makeup, I don't know what that is that's coming off because I really thought I washed my face good. So guys, this is Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. My skin already feels really soft and it looks good, and I'm really happy with it, and I can't believe like the amount of dirt and stuff that was coming out of my skin. I hope you guys will try this out at home. I hope that you found the video useful. And yeah, I just really hope you like the product. Thanks so much for watching.